Hi, in this video we are going to see factorization of linear equation. Before we see factorization of linear equation, it is better to know greatest common factor. Okay, now 16, 8. What is the greatest common factor? 8. Most of them know that. Anyway, if you don't know, I will do it. 16 is 2 power 4. 16 is 2 power 4. 8 is 2 cube. So we have to choose the lowest power. For greatest common factor, we have to choose the lowest power. Okay, now suppose 12, 8. What is the greatest common factor for 12, 8? It is 4. You know that 12 is equal to 2 squared times 3. 8 is equal to 2 cube. We have to choose the common placed in both. So 2 square. Okay. I will tell one number 2 cube times 3 squared times 7 times 11 cube. B 2 power 5, 3 power 3 cross 5 cross 7 squared cross 13. Here what is the greatest common factor in this A and B? 2, it is in both places and it is the lowest one, 2 cube. Here 5, here 3. 3 is the lowest number. So the greatest common factor of A and B is 2 cube. 3 here and in both places it is there. Here it is 3 power 1. 3 means 3 power 1 and 3 power 2. So what is the common? What is the minimum? 3 power 1. Okay. Then 5. Here it is 5. There no 5. So 5 we have to omit. 7. Here 7. Here 7 squared. 7. So this is the way to find the greatest common factor. Okay. Now we will dive to sum. Please copy down how to do it. For example, 16x squared plus 8x cube. How to take it out? The greatest common? 8x squared. Take out. Here what will be there? How to find? Here it is 2. How to find out? Just to put 16x squared over 8x squared. What will happen? It will cancel. 16 by 2 is 2. Here plus x. How it will come? 8x cube over 8x squared. Very simple. X cube over x squared is x only. Just copy down. Now 12x squared y plus 8 minus 8x y squared. What is the greatest common factor in these two? 12 and 8, it is 4. X squared, x. So 4x, y squared, y. Put it. 12x squared y over 4xy is 3x. Right? And here what will come? This minus sign you put it. 8xy squared. Here it is y. How it comes? Most of them know that. But anyway, I will explain. Minus 2y. X cancel, y squared over y is y. So minus 2y. This is the way to do linear equation. Copy down. (63) a cube b minus 35 a B, C. A, B, C. Okay, here what is the common one? Greatest common factor? 63, 35 is 7. A cube, A is A. B, B. Here C is there, here C is not there. So we should not write C here. So 7AB. 9 A squared. So 63 A cube B minus 35 over, this minus you put it, 35 over 7 is 5. A already we taken, B taken, minus 5C. I hope you got it. Copy down. Okay. Next is, suppose 3 times 3x squared y minus 15xy squared plus 12xy. Here what is common? 3, 15, 12. 3 is common. And then xy is common. Xy in everywhere it is there. So 3xy take out, x minus 5y, right? Then plus 4. This is the way. We will see more examples in our next video. Thank you for watching. See all my other videos. See you then.